We have an important job today. We clarify the location of the land. The surveyor sets up the equipment and begins surveying. I follow along and help with the pile driving. Our borders are now clear. In this way, everything we do will be within our limits. Any problems that may arise in the future have been resolved first. We can put plans into action. Now that our borders are clear, we can fence our land. The fence master came today. We left the job to the master. We will see together how the wire fence is drawn. Now, as a first job, we determine the line. The line where the fence will go by pulling setting straight. Because the most important thing in the wire fence is that the line is smooth. Now, the positions of the poles are determined and the pits are opened. Usually about 2.5–3 meters, sewn intermittently. Pits are 40 to 50 centimeters deep. Opens. After poles are placed, lines are controlled. Because the wire is the smallest curvature in the poles when pulled, it's obvious right away. Corner poles are different from normal poles. When the wire is stretched, the whole load force here. If the corner is not solid, it will bend over time. Fence wire loosens. We place our pole in the pit and we check the scale. It is very important that the pole stays upright. Because the whole fence line will align accordingly, we fill the concrete we prepared around the pole. Concrete must fill the pit to completely fix the pole. If there are gaps in between, we squeeze the stone and the pole. After throwing the concrete, we check the scale again. after drying. This pole won't move for years anymore. We will concrete all the intermediate poles like this. Then we will go to the wire coming stage. We continue to build the land step by step. For the fence to be smooth and firm, we need to fix these poles with concrete. Spacers need a solid foundation, about 40-50 inches deep for this. We are opening a hole. We place a pole in the pit and the scales. We check the scale. It is very important that the pole stays upright, because the whole fence line will be aligned accordingly. Now we have come to the wire work part. The wire is slowly opening and fixing to the posts. The most important thing here is that the wire is neat and tense. We came to one of the most important points of the fence. Now we will fix the land gate in place, because if gate is not intact, the whole system will damage over time. There are two main pillars on which the door will stand. We open the door, and first, we control the line on the ground when opening and closing. It is important to adjust the range correctly so that it does not rub. Now we connect the door from its hinges to the pole. We also reinforce the poles with concrete so that the door will be both intact, will work without problems for years. We open and close the door several times before the concrete sits. When four fences start to pull, the image of the land is really changing. Boundaries become clear and the space is much more orderly. Begins to appear. To surround this land, we used 42 meters of wire fence, 2 fronts hugged poles, wire door, including workmanship and other materials. Total cost approx. 34,000 TL, 670. Of course, prices are based on the thickness of the wire used, whether the poles are iron or concrete, and may vary depending on the size of the land. If you are considering buying land, make sure to add wire fence work to the budget, because the land, this is one of the first steps. We continue to build our land step by step at Sıfırdan. If you want to follow this journey with us, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Stay healthy.